Doubt is loud, discipline is louder. Choose which voice wins. There's a moment before every breakthrough, a breath, a choice. You wake up early, you show up tired, you put in the work when no one's watching. Small actions stack, one extra set, one focused hour, one disciplined choice. Those micro wins become momentum. You'll feel doubt, you'll feel stuck. That's the training ground. Each setback is data, not destiny. Consistency beats talent. Every single day, your mindset defines your future. Picture sunrise over mountains, the slow climb, the hands that refuse to quit. It's not about a single heroic moment. It's about the ritual of rising, grinding, refining. Focus is your weapon. Resilience is your armor. Celebrate the small wins. They're the proof you're moving forward. Measure progress in days, not in overnight miracles. Stay focused. Stay hungry. Keep going. When fear whispers, stop, respond with action. When failure says, give up, answer with another attempt. Every step forward writes a new chapter. This is your journey from self-doubt to confidence, from struggle to progress, from vision to achievement. Believe in the work. Commit to the process. Take the next step now. Your future starts with the choice you make this morning. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.